Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Pixar short. This one is going to be Lava from 2014. So, yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, okay. It's a volcano. Alright. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. Like, the animation is really good. Well, it's from 2014, but it looks really, really good. It almost looks like real. Like, looks really good. Oh, the birds. Ooh, that's a nice shot right there with the birds. Oh, okay.
There was a volcano.
Oh, a volcano. Oh, it's alive.
All
Oh.
alone in the middle of the sea.
Oh, okay, living all alone in the middle of the sea.
He
Ooh.
sat high above
Okay, looks
his
happy.
head, watching all
Wow.
the couples play.
Oh, watching other couples play.
And wishing
Ah.
that he had someone to.
Oh, okay, no, so he's lonely. Oh.
And from his
Oh, even the
lover came
dolphins.
this song of hope that he sang
Oh,
out
okay.
loud.
Right, everybody has couples. The
Every
dolphins,
day
the
for
turtles.
years and years.
Ah.
I have a
Oh,
dream
oh,
I
okay.
hope will come true.
Oh, I hope it does come
You're
true.
here with me, and I'm here with you.
Oh,
I
okay.
wish that the earth sees
Oh,
the
he has such a great
sky
voice.
above
Oh.
will send me someone to love.
Oh, I hope they send him someone to love. Ah. Ah, right, he's lonely. And then, right, it's worse because he's watching all the couples. He wants one. Ah. Wow, so what, our years passing or something? The time is passing?
Years of singing
Oh, okay.
all alone turned his lava into stone.
Turn the lava into
until
stone.
He was
Oh,
on
he's
the
older.
brink of extinction.
Oh, and he never found his other, right, his partner.
That living in the sea below.
Oh, look, there's a girl right there.
Volcano was
A girl
listening
volcano.
to his song.
Oh, a girl volcano was listening to his songs. Oh,
Every day
that's
she
cool.
heard his tune.
Every day she heard it.
Lava grew and grew
Oh,
because
that's so
she
cool.
believed his song was meant for her.
Oh, he believed. Oh, that's good. But they never got to
Now
meet
she
her.
was so ready to meet him above
Oh,
the
but
sea
he's
as
in
he
rough
sang
shape.
his song of hope for the last time.
Oh, for the last time. Aww.
I have a dream. I
Aww.
hope will
Even like
come
this,
true.
he's singing it so good.
You're here with
Aww.
me, and I'm here
Aww. Look, she's right there. Your partner was right there.
with you. The earth see the sky up above.
Aww, this is so
Will
sweet.
send me
Oh, she's going up. She's going up.
someone to love.
Aww. He's gonna see her. He's gonna see her finally. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. Wow. That was crazy. Look, right? Like, wow. Wow. I hope that volcano's okay. Oh, he's like half. No, like just part of his head is over the water. That's a new volcano. Oh yeah. Yes, yes.
Looking all around, but she could not see him.
She couldn't see him. No. And then they can't turn.
To let her know that she was not there alone.
Right.
But
You couldn't.
no lava his
Oh,
no.
Oh, this is so sad.
He filled the sea with his tears and watched his dreams disappear.
They disappear. Oh.
Remembered what his song
this is so
meant
sad.
to her.
Wow. So they never got to meet.
Have a dream.
Wow.
I hope will come true.
Wow. It
You're
will.
here with me,
She's singing back at
and
him.
I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, sea, and the sky up above.
Oh, what is happening? What's happening? Oh, is he gonna go back up? Or what's happening? Oh, it turned into a heart. Oh, that's pretty cool. I hope he goes back up. Is he gonna go back up? I hope he goes in front of her so she sees him. Like, cause that's what did it? She was singing back. Is that, they finally get to meet?
Oh, they were so happy to
Oh, the
finally
singing is so good.
meet
Oh,
above
yes,
the
yes.
sea.
Yes, they finally met.
All
Yes.
together now,
Happy forever.
their love grew and grew.
Oh, that's awesome.
No longer are they all alone.
Right. Now they have each other.
As their new home. And when you visit them, this is what they sing.
Let's see. Let's hear it.
I have a dream. I hope will come true.
Oh, singing is so good.
With me.
Now grow old.
Right, you're both gonna grow old together.
We
Yeah.
thank the earth, still the sky we thank too. I love her.
That's so sweet.
I love her.
I love you. I love that. I love you. Oh, their voices are so good together. It's so good. It's so sweet. It was great. That was amazing. I love that. That was, wow. That was just such a sweet, such a sweet story. So sweet. Just awesome. Definitely no complaints with that. I love that. That was really good. The singing was awesome, and just, and I'm glad they got to meet, right? Because at first it was sad, right? Like they knew there was somebody there, but they could never see each other, right? Because she knew that somebody was singing to her, right? Or she thought, he was singing to her, but he didn't know that anybody else was there, right? Another volcano was there, but and I'm glad, they finally got to meet, and then, right, they're able to grow old together. That's great. Definitely no complaints. I absolutely love that, for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.